3 minus 1 times 5 minus 1. 3 minus 1 equals 2. So 2 times 5 minus 1, which equals 4. 2 times 4 is just 8. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. We first do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here we have one subtraction, one multiplication, and the one parentheses. In PEMDAS, parentheses has higher priority than other operations. So first we have to do this parentheses. After parentheses, we have to do multiplication, okay, not this subtraction. So 5 minus 1 gives us 4. So we have 3 minus 1 times 4. No, we have to do this multiplication, not this subtraction. 1 times 4 gives us 4. And 3 minus 4, which equals negative 1. So therefore, our final answer to this problem is just negative 1. The correct answer is negative 1.